So we're over here at QHY. We have a couple of some nice planetary cameras here. We have, their definitely specialty is, big sensor astrophotography cameras. They're here. We have some of the QHY 533s. We have a little bit of the brand new 440, which is the new full frame sensor that's come out. And then we have some of the medium format cameras for, really serious observations through here. The 461, we have the 881 as well. And of course, you got all of their filter wheels and stuff through here. We also have the beautiful Minicam 8 here. Definitely, the 585 is a really, really good, sensor. It's the one I use all the time as well. And you also got the brand new filter sets through here. And now they even have the 3 nanometer set, which is really huge for people who love, doing astrophotography from cities and still be able to do so. And you also have some of the, other filters, like who else has an Argon 3 filter? I mean, come on now. That's definitely, super awesome, especially for doing like planetary nebulas, because we've done a couple projects, being Caleb, on some of the Argon 3 spectrum, kind of like with the other, the space cats. So definitely, hopefully they'll have some more filters down the line for this.